Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chart. You tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow competitor speaking, and it looks like Ethereum is continuing to go to the upside. We recently made a prediction that it could potentially reach a specific level. We're going to go over that here again in this video, and also go over the previous level of resistance as a potential buy-in opportunity, as what I would do with my portfolio. Not financial advice, of course. So stick around to the end for that. We also have a time frame in terms of how long this would take. So yeah, welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, please consider joining us, but do your fundamental research before we get started. We are just going to go over the price action. Okay, so let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's May the 9th, 2021, and the current price of Ethereum is going to be $4,016.30, fluctuating there. It's up approximately 2.3% for the day. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR Interesting Analysis. So let's pull up our original lines. We're going to get rid of like one of the lines there. Okay, so a little bit weird there, right? So we were going over the regression trend. If you see this little purple and green area here, we were speculating on May the 1st, 2021, that it was actually breaking out. Let's get rid of that line there. I don't think that one's useful. On May the 1st, 2021, it kind of represents this candle here, one of these two candles. Okay, this one right here. We were just saying that it's potentially breaking out of the regression trend, and when it breaks out of the regression trend, it will likely find a new regression trend. Okay, I haven't found it just yet. We have to be patient and let the market develop, because it appears that it's still going in the upwards trajectory. So I'd like to kind of either wait till it cools off to find a regression trend, or if it continues higher, then obviously we'd have to revisit the charts to see if it's actually within a regression trend or some sort of very steep angled trend, right? But this is a simple video. Okay, our price target is $5,142. A lot of you may remember that from our previous video. The previous level of resistance can be represented at this white line just below the price action, which is $3,542. If I were not invested, which I'm not invested in this, if I were to be a conservative player and say that, okay, I'd wait for a retracement and not follow or kind of chase the market up, that would be an interesting level for me to open the charts to see if there would be some sort of reversal candles developing near that level. If the market retraces back to $3,546, I'm not saying it will, but that's what I would be interested in entering. And of course, from that point, it's likely the trend will continue to the upside, because the trend is your friend until the end. And I think that's what will likely take place if the market does not continue to just simply blast off to the upside from the current level. Okay. So I guess percentage-wise, from the current level up to $5,142 is about, it's like 27% to the upside. It's not bad. And to the downside, if it actually goes down, it's about 10%. So that's an interesting risk-to-reward ratio. If we can just kind of do that very quickly. Again, guys, this isn't financial advice. Not saying for you to actually do this. So that's going to be a 2.36 risk to reward ratio in terms of the range that I just gave you guys. So hopefully that was useful. In terms of the time frame, let's give the market another 30 days out, exactly, next month, 30 days from today, and see where the price action is. If there's a slow steady climb to the upside and it takes a little bit longer, that's fine, guys. I didn't get it wrong. I'm just giving you a practical time frame, which it could simply go to 5,000 within the next 4 days. That's fine. But we'll just revisit the charts when/if it reaches the overhead target, and then we'll simply take it from there. So hopefully this update was useful for you all in terms of a potential entry if there's some sort of retracement, which it doesn't appear is going to happen. But, these markets are volatile. Anything can happen within the next 5 minutes, right? So that's it. We'll cut it out here. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and a comment that helps the channel. The YouTube algorithm picks up on the channel when you guys do that. Thank you. Also, if you're new, we'd like to send you more information. If you're into like traditional stocks, we cover that 7 days a week. So kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that to you when it is available. Okay. And once again, thank you for your time. We're going to cut it out here. Be sure to execute your strategies. Okay. By protecting your portfolio, and you do that. Okay. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.